The Power Bundle 360 was built on the idea that all charts repeatedly progress through 3 market cycles: breakout, trend, and reversal in a cyclic manner. It includes the latest versions of our 3 most powerful indicators to keep you equipped for all market cycles. Volatility Crusher to signal high-quality, explosive breakouts and breakdowns from compressed and tightened areas. 1-2-3 Strike for trading the prevailing trend within trending markets. And Divergence Cloud for detecting and playing reversals as well as continuations. We have tons of more examples and tips for you to help you get started. Check out the individual tutorials for each indicator and take a look at the supporting material. We'll show you how to set up successful scans with the bundle and leverage the indicators to your advantage. Links in the description below. We'd like to thank you for watching and for being a part of our community of traders.